now just preparing everything. It's the first day here at just to make sure we have everything in order. Just bear with me. This. Okay. We will start in 2 minutes time. Bear with me. Yes. While I do with any media you have, we are supposed to be live now. Facebook and in the academy. Wherever you are, like this video, subscribe. Testing of function of now. Cool. Okay, I think we can now start. We in this session will look some forex trades first. I think we'll go through maybe 4 forex trades, and then we'll first. After me. Sorry, I'm a little waking up here now. It's a late night yesterday. For me, it's 7:30 in the morning. It's all for you guys. Okay, but one thing we always need to do trading. This is for forex and binary. Need to check if for that I use investing.com. Okay, so by the way, do I have good sound? Tell me if I have good sound. I don't be talking here, and maybe I don't have sound. Anyone reply to me if I have good sound? Looks like we have 3 live here now that is silent. Okay, I will just yes, I have sound. Oh, it's a little I have a setup here in the beach, so it's not the same I have normally. But as if you hear me, I take that as a good thing. So maybe not clearly, but I'll try to speak a little louder. Okay. Then I will continue. So about use, we use that for both forex and binary. What I use is investing.com. You can free account here. I go to news. There. What I'm looking for then is something called 3-star news. Okay. So for today there are actually no news. There were one 1:30 in the morning for me. But let's say now that Euro had a news here 1 o'clock. If it was for Forex, if it was a trade that almost hit my stop loss, I would just let it be and just see what will happen. If it's a trade that is a little in minus, little in plus, whatever, I would close it 10 minutes before news. And if I still feel it's a trade, I will open it 1 hour. Okay. But if it was a binary option trade, I will just stop trading 5 minutes before the news and start trading probably half an hour after. It's that simple. Okay. So once again, we will now take, I think, 4 Forex trades and we can always do some binary option trades. Bear a little with me. This is the first time I do a live session from the beach. I don't have the same computer. I don't have the same nothing. So it's a little slower. And now everything is smaller because my main setup, I have a huge screen. Here I just look on a small laptop, so a little more difficult, and everything, like I said, is lower. That's why maybe the sound quality is not the same. It's many things, but yeah. So we won trade from yesterday, as you can see. Go directly in take. See, I don't try to be greedy with my trades. As long as I get my 1.5 ratio, I'm not looking for more. Like, I'm not, many people, they get super annoyed when they see a big this and they think, wow, why am I not holding the trade longer? I don't even think about it. As long as I get my 1.5 ratio, I'm super happy. Now, I have a beautiful resistant area up here. I think you'll take advantage of that. So I will try to go with a short position here. Here. Like I said, it's a maneuver. Little small for me. I'm not used to have things so small. And take my profit. Okay, then we take the first trade over there. Forex, gold, short, trade, there, at. See, here. Stop loss. Here. And level. Okay, have the first trade. Okay. I can't push pause here when I'm marking up, so sometimes the moves will be before I post it on groups, but that's just how it is. Just bear with me, it's a little slow. I think it will be much easier to trade the binary option. It'll do the things. Just need to post this trade first. By the way, everyone that come in any social media, sure you like, we are today live in 2 Facebook groups, live in Twitter, and we are live in YouTube and Academies. We live a lot of places today. It's a new test I'm doing to try to see how it works if we are live a lot of places at the same time. I'm going to include later to be live in Telegram also, and I'm thinking about Twitch. So we are testing out many places. And also, if you have any question, write to any place, and I will be able to reply to you. Okay, so that was the first trade of the day. Save this chart. Now, like I said, we will take 3 more forex pairs and we'll jump over and do our favorite thing, binary option. So, can this one on, and now I don't like this setup that much. We are more like to retest again the top of the trend line, or we did take trades onwards, but now it's not something out to trade. You can make it simple like that. Here now, we had more like a small fake out from this support area. Overall view is a upwards, but here see that we have a small downwards trend. That there, see we have a small downwards trend here. So basically, we are looking only for sell trades. For take a sell trade, I would like to take it on the line you see here. So probably a little later, when you can get a nice green bar that come up this line here, we can look for a short trade. Need to be aware of have a strong support here. So we might come to a squeeze a little later on, depending on how fast you come up to the blue line. We can short trade because you also need to protect a little. I like to take stop loss above the last top, and if I take it here, will be too high. So we also target just the lowest area that is close to the bar, that is around here. So I'm not sure if we can take this trade. If you let's wait and see. So, but for now it's nothing. USD overall view, a little downward trend. Currently now we are going sideways here. Stretching it if this is something. I think I'm making up things. Just have one. Ah, yeah, maybe. I don't think I want to try this. It's not clear. I think I'm stretching it all this. Even though this overall downward trend. Yeah. No, I think no. I don't think it's good enough for us. Also, if you want to take this one, see that we have something here also, and that means we'll come to a squeeze. So here I think we either will shoot down or we might shoot up. In that way, a down would be nicer than up. So for now, I think just let it be. Save it. So for now, we just have our gold trade currently running. Then I think we jump over to our most favorite thing, binary option. Let me just see if everything okay. And thanks so much. I see we have 4 likes out of 5 people live. There have been 7 total in. So that's nice. Have people live in this. Just let's that. But okay. At least YouTube won't give information. So if you're in YouTube, make sure to like this video. And if you want to copy what I'm doing, very simple. Just join with a broker. Use so it's Peanut now in YouTube. If you want to join this broker and take advantage of the promo code, we will now start with some binary option. Yeah. Right here. Okay. Correct. I forgot to write it down before I did go to this computer. Yes. Oh, then we have things in order. See. So we are looking for specific areas to trade. Really not used to look at a small screen. Like I said, I'm in the beach now, so I'm here on a laptop. Very difficult. Starting to build, I think. Okay. Start with here. Have maybe something here. I see now that for me at least, advantage have a screen. And I have really problem to see. That was just bear with me a little today. This is the first live session from the beach. Everything like super right away. Oh, that was a little red line. Ah, it's a little. I see a little bit. Squeeze my screen. Okay. So then we can go for this one. Just check. Red. Fine. Post this for user. Fine. Or add at 0, 8. One. It's our first signal of the day. So if you come up to that red line, we down button like that. Up so you can see the trades. Or so you can see we did a very good session yesterday. Let's hope this can be really good. Now I will everything go a little slower on this computer, like I said, so as smoothly as a computer, I do my best. Just pause this. I will not post it today because you are there. I will post it in Telegram and in WhatsApp. Okay. Now let's see. As we are a little far away from a line, we can see if we find one more. Good. And if you find something awesome, just send me a message on WhatsApp. I prefer that. Then this will pop up my screen. Here I see. No, I don't think. You can see now what will happen, right? Stops. Okay. First to see if the thing. You know, stop there or continue. For me, it looks like he's breaking it. Sure yet. I'm not trading this one, by the way. I'm now just following this. Looks like he's expecting it now. So probably we trade this line. If you come up this line again, I think I will take a trade. Yeah, ready to go in. You down a little, so high up. I don't think, and I'm not sure how much lagging I will get down. Everything is a little slower here now, so that will also be the first try. Okay. At 90. On. Ready to go. By the way, in the chat, make sure you write where you're from, it's your time zone, morning for you, day, and what is your routine if you're trading binary option? Do you trade before you go to work? No, I'm ready to go down. Super bad entry. Super bad entry. This was terrible. Thankfully, he's down, so maybe we, by the way, I hope so. I will not take one more trade. Just hope this one turns good and looks that way. We thankfully won the trade, even though it was an incredible bad entry. take my win there. Not a good first try. So I see that different from my main computer. Careful, I take my trades on the main computer. With push, basically can be like 1 second, but here was like crazy. So yes, I see it's a big difference between using. But by the way, first trade in, $95 profit. So we take it. We got a good entry at least. Let's see how that plays out. As long as he don't break up now, we will trade. See? Okay. 5 seconds left. Looks like we will get one more winner. Yes. Sweet. Then we have profit of $190. Let me now post that in groups. The people that we're live and trading. Yeah. If anyone have taken this signal also, how did you do? Did you win? Take 2 trades, have you taken more? Give me all the information. Love to hear it. I'm just posting my winners, so I'm following right now. Trades. Pretty happy with the start of the day, by the way. Let's see. Okay, so he did break above, so our line is broken. Did some of you lose on the trade that it go up now? I thankfully was posting my wins for people, so you don't get any trade, more trades. Now let's take a look at the first one we are following. Goes. Still have not come up to our line. Okay, then I think we can just continue. We keep the Australian dollar against Canadian dollar open. Let me see if for someone did reply. No. And I have 6 likes. Thanks so much. Looks like I don't need to ask for it more. I like. Okay. To see if I find something else we can try. Here also. Yes, it is. Okay. Now let's see. Here, I think we had a nice one here. You can see. Here is a nice one. This might turn line here now, because as we had so beautiful here, follow. I don't think I will close this one. Let me here just change. I do here as a screen. There might be something I need to follow to see. Do not trade here yet. Still just, yeah, like I said, to wait. We see down here, we had a beautiful sell trade break below it. So let's just mark this as red. If we come below, we will start to trade on the line correctly. Yeah, that's good. So if you come below this one, we start the another way at least. But for now, let's move on. So till today, we have gotten 2 trades and 2 winners, and we have $190 profit. That's not bad here at the beach now with our super slow computer. Have a beautiful one in the bottom here. There. In. There. In. Good entry. Well, let's see. As long as you don't break it, we should win. Now this is a perfect entry. If we win this one, we'll win another $90. Left. 7 seconds. So as long as you don't break the line, we should win. There, we won. Another $92. So then our profit is now up to 282. 282. Post that for people. You can continue trading this line while I do so. I have my way to get more people in, because more people we have live to do things, more fun it is for me to do this. Also in the chat or Twitter about the video, in Facebook about the video, and in YouTube in chat, you find a link to this broker, and there are a promo code there also that give you 200% first of all. So if you want to copy what I'm doing, you join. I trade basically every single day, so if you don't manage to open an account while I do today, don't worry, I'll be live again too. And you see, even when I'm enjoying my time in the beach, I take my time to do this morning. It's basically every single day. I don't have breaks. So, just bear. Places happening with the trade. Looks like side of my eye, looks like the line got broken. Firm it up. I have one more place to post. Here. Okay, so the line got broken. At least we got in our one trade. That's the thing. When we're trading, we need to take as many we can. And if we have been here earlier, we won quite a lot of trades before we lost this one here. So, but not to worry. We always, if you got in the first trade on this one, just continue. As long as you trade every single line, we will always turn profit. Very strange sound before 8 in the morning. I don't hear that was some holes in the wall. That's why I do this also, these sessions early, so we don't sound. I was thinking this could, I think now we can, yeah, let's change this to green line. I think, right, this one here. I have one, we have 4, so that's enough. Mark this one up. Change it to 30. Array by out and set at 1 1 8 6 are happy with 1 post that in groups while we wait for a buy trade down there. Okay. Moving a little far away, so hopefully we need to wait a little. But yes, one thing I can tell you, it's one problem you get if you're used to work on a super good computer, to be moving on and trade on laptop. That is not easy. But now we have 3 trades, 3 winners. We will be trading more, trading more 30 minutes today. See, now 23 more minutes. Let's take a look at our gold trade. It's running in nice profit. See, okay, we're moving a little far away here. We're getting closer to a line. Just to break this here. Might get a trade on our line here. That was the first of the day, by the way. Yeah. Far away. I think we can start to look for something more. Now, look for something more on this one. Yeah. Here. On. Have a quite nice one down here. Up. There. We'll take trade. I'll change 30. Ready to go in for which France against Japanese yen. See the line here. Want to copy? That's the line at 146.4858. If go a little more up, I will take my time to write. Let's see. Buy, fine. Oh, I need to trade. Those I can write. Red. Buy at 146.48. Risk is now when ready to go in. We are in. Very good entry. As long as you don't break down now, we that one. You not get time to post this one, but let's see if we win. We have 8 seconds left. You see the number here. Copy. And yep, one of course. $92 more. So now we are at $370. Amazing. Yeah. $300. Or now that also you can continue trading this line, but a loss on another line, maybe you can back on this one. And of course the line is broken, so disregard that. Like we just got in trade. Looks like if you did take a trade, maybe you can still win it. But let's not trade this line more because I see the line is broken. So today looks like we get in just one trade each line. Not perfect, but that's how it is sometimes. I at least have got lucky. I'm posting every time the lines are broken. Some luck, I will admit I have today. I still see that even though you would maybe have won if you got in. Yes, we are not going. There, okay. Let's continue. So that means we are not trading time. Let's check the other. They're a little far away. Here we even broke it. Then never got a chance. But by the way, now 4 trades and we have 4 winners. I will admit I had some luck today because every time I have been posting my wins, lines have got broken while I chat. So I take it. I take my luck. It's not always I have luck like that. So when I first have it, I'm not. By the way, if you are at YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, tell me if this is the first time you're here. Are you trading together with me? Are you planning to open an account to trade tomorrow? Give me your plans and where you're from. Then this one is the thing. down to this green line, we will trade it. Far away. Start to look for something more. Here, let's see. Add one here, but it's broken. Next, super good line. It's down around here, but as you see, very far. That will not be session. On. Here. If it was not for this bar here, there could be thing. By the way, I'm at the beach now. I will still be trading the same time every day. Everything slower than normal, but still you can see we have got in some trades. And we even got a Forex trade that is completely in profit. So this only show you that there are no excuses right where you are, and also it's no excuses to sleep even though you are in holiday. Yeah, I wake up 7 in the morning just to do this for you all. Now it's 10 minutes past 8 in the morning. Spare, let's go on. Okay. Today we have. See, it's not all pairs that keep lines for us to trading, because basically for broker, I just support and resistance. Like if I trade on some other brokers, we get different lines also. Here I have found that support resistance very high win rate. That's why I only support and resistance broker. But of course, it's not every support resistance. It's when I see perfect lines came in now, I will find an example for that. Yes, like for example here. This line here, what I will do, line like this, mark it here. Every time I come down to this green line here, I will then take this 30-second bid I want. And about bid, if you have account, let's say $100, then your biggest bid should be maximum $3. Don't go in with $10 anything, because if you get a loss then, and you lose and you get loss, I have got that also, because sometimes come to a line, and the line get broken. As you've seen in this one, this time around I got lucky, but you see, most of the time you win on the line, right? But one time break the line, and we never know which time we come into stop trading, if time it's going to break the line. So you keep to it, you get your win around 70-80%. But you might be unlucky sometimes, and if you go then in with $10, it's very difficult trading if you have $100 account and you already lost $30, for example, right? So keep it max 3% of your account. That means, for example, if you have $1,000 account, trade with maximum $30 each trade. See me, I can trade with around 700-800 on my account. See me trade only 100 because I'm happy with that. My account have come so big now that I rather just keep calm, because yes, I have problem with them. I know myself, if I start to trade with like $1,000 here now, because I can do that with 3%, my emotions will come in if I start to trades in a row and I am down. I know that. I don't fool myself. For me, $100 I have found this for me is my sweet spot. I trade with zero emotions, and I'm very successful at it. And you see now, for example, today I got in 4 trades, and we have a $374 profit. Happy with that. I'm super happy with that. And also, if you join, I will get some small affiliate income from each trade you do. I also earn from that. So for me, that's how I make my money. See, continue. This line, I don't think okay, are too far away from it. If you can better than this. And you see, we are not trading that much dollar pair broker. We're basically keeping it up. That's good because in dollar we often have dollar and euro that have the most use. And you see that so we are not so impacted with news when option because there are not so many we are getting. Have a line here, far away to get trades. I don't even mark it up. I don't think it happened in now. Yeah, we see it never come down here either. Let's just continue. By the way, I will repeat it. If you are at Twitter looking at this live session, you'll find a bow. Join this broker. If you're in Facebook, same thing, bow this week. And for the ones that are at an academy, you find a link in the chat. Join this broker so you can start to copy me tomorrow. There will not be time for you to open today and copy me. Time for you. I'll be live again tomorrow, same time, and be sure to do our best so we can print some money for also. Overall, for a week, we all spent money. I'm sure the ones that have followed me for a while that can write that in the chat now that we are doing quite good. We are making every single session. At least you have done now for a while. I think over a year time, I have 7 days where I go a little. But otherwise, all the other days we have made profit. So I have been trading no longer than 1 year live. So every single day, basically. I think sometimes I don't trade in Sunday, but I always trade Saturday also now. So we're trading almost every single day. It's some Sundays also I've been trading, but I have found that Sundays a little more difficult to trade. For some reason, Saturday I have no problem, but Sundays is a little. Try to stay away from Sunday. One, I don't know, something here, but it's not for the spike here. I would say that he probably had something, but we see also he's breaking up now, so not something we want to trade. Move on. Nothing here. Seen this one either. What I like with this broker is that you can zoom out crazy much and crazy much. It's easy to identify areas. It's not all brokers for binary option you do that, but for this broker, only thing I will say about this broker is that when you put up and down, sometimes can be lagging a little. Get used. As you see, I don't have any problems here. Not like I'm sweet speaking my. Here you can see one loss here. See all the winners. So I will say we are pretty darn good with. Okay. And all these trades I have done live, so it's like something magical. Just see my past sessions, every single trade I done here. Because one thing I can tell you, you have many YouTubers that can come with this crazy thing, count from $1 to like 100,000. It's just bullshit. And they come with this every single trade I do, that all the money they have, just bullshit. They use a indicator and everything. Ask them to do it live. I'm sure none of them can I do live. They don't dare to trade live every single, because with trading live, you actually need to know what you're doing, right? They can edit the videos so they every single trade and thing. Maybe they're talking with a broker. It's, I don't know. Trading live, that's another thing. Can't do that then. You actually need to know what you're doing. That's why I think I'm the only YouTuber that go live every single day and trade binary options. But anyone else do. And the funny thing, I'm the smallest one. I'm just a small YouTuber. People like to follow fake traders. I don't know why, but how it is. Yeah. No. Born somewhere. No, I see irregularity. So get button. I don't see it there. So on. You see that most the work you have is to basically find a line. Some days I find a lot, some days I need to work a little for it. You can see today we found some trades, but that is what you limit yourself of how much money you make in 1 hour, because I trade 1 hour. It's about how many trades we find. And as you can see, I really need to work for it to find something. If you're trading trend line, you've done quite good here. Like I said, I don't do that on this broker. You can clearly see that if you draw a line down here, every time you go line, you would have got a win. But on this broker, I just trade support resistance. I don't bother to do anything else because I have a so high win rate to do that. I don't strategy. There you can see up here the line. I don't think here again because how we are in time. For some strange reason, wanted to stop. Here. We have been live 1 hour now. Okay. Then I think up for today. Hope you enjoy, and I see you all tomorrow same time. Have an amazing day.